Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're looking at Taste by Sabrina Carpenter. This song is pretty darn easy. It only has 5 chords. We'll learn those first, and then we'll look at the pattern that they all go in throughout the song, and then we'll walk through the whole song. Those moments are in the key moments in chapters below.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Just the Chords, and also check out our memberships. We have 2 levels of membership to keep you invested and keep you engaged with learning keyboard skills.
We start on a B flat. We're in the key of B flat. Let's do that on a B flat, D, F. We really like that. We go right next door to a C minor, C, E flat, G. There's our C minor. Then we want an A flat major, A flat, C, E flat. Very nice. Those chords will all walk together. We'll start that pattern on the B flat, C minor, A flat. Nice. Then we go, the next pattern starts on the B flat again, but then goes to an E flat major, E flat, G, B flat, before ending again on that A flat major. E flat, down to that A flat in root positions. So the bulk of our patterns go from that B flat to C minor to A flat, or that B flat to E flat to A flat. Notice that the first and last chord stayed the same in both of those little patterns, just the middle chord changed. In 2 hands, putting the roots of the chords, meaning their names, in my left hand, so just the B flats alone and the chord in my right hand. I can rock it out. B flat, E flat, A flat. I'll show it again. It's B flat, C minor, A flat. Then B flat, E flat, A flat. That gets us through the verse, as well as the chorus, as well as a lot of the bridge. In the pre-chorus, we get a spicy little chord on our G minor, G, B flat, D. Look at that G minor, G, B flat, D. And that lifts right into our A flat major each time that we already looked at. Make sure that that movement is strong, back and forth. So we get that lift in the pre-chorus from B flat, C minor, A flat, here comes the G minor, da 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 da, raise it. That's our pre-chorus, right? B flat, C minor, A flat, next to me, 1 degree of separation. And then we go right back to that pattern that we already practiced. Well, believe it or not, that is all the chords, all the patterns. It can be that easy. Let's try it out from the beginning and see where we go. Remember, my left hand is playing the roots, meaning just the names of the chords, 1 or 2, feeling how much bass I want. And the right hand will be playing the full chords, the triads, 1, 2, 3 notes. We start on that B flat. Ready? Verse 1 goes. Then change it to E flat. Repeat the whole pattern. Feel the beat. Now I'm pre-chorus, still there. G minor, A flat major, chorus back together, and that's true. You'll just chorus if you want forever. I loved playing with you today. That was so much fun. Practice makes better. Go back, slow it down, whatever it takes to just make little bits of improvement. Set small goals. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.